Today marks 7 years since Indiana University student Lauren Spierer disappeared in Bloomington. And despite thousands of tips, we still don't know what happened to her. The 20-year-old sophomore vanished on June 3rd, 2011 after a night out partying with friends, but she never made it home. Friends last saw her walking alone in an alley. Bloomington police are still investigating this case, and Lauren's parents continue to work with a private investigator as well. Charlene Spierer today described what she calls the most heart-wrenching experience of their lives. She said in part, "I never could have imagined we would still be searching for Lauren 7 years later. I end this now as I start each morning, hoping today will be the day." We have a link on WTHR.com tonight where you can read the family's entire statement and report information anonymously about the Spierer case.